Let's get started to listen fairy tale.
The Family of Bear. There was one family of bear lived on a mountain. Every day, the father of bear always went to look for food to support their family. One day, the father of bear was sick, and he could not go out to look for food as usual. He said to his wife, "Darling, today I'm not well, so I could not go out. Can you go to look for food instead of me?" The wife replied, "Yes, I can, dear. But I have a lot of housework. I'm not sure I can do it." At that time, the children spoke up. "We can help you, Mom." The father continued, "Well, darling, our children are big enough to help you. However, they are under my observation." The mother agreed and said, "I will go out to look for food. But you need to relax." The father replied, "Thank you." Then the mother of bear went out, and the children helped doing housework and looked after their father. Later on, the father got better and they lived with each other happily ever after. Thank you for watching this video.